We all use ChatGPT to get the things done. Go there and enter some prompt, and it will give some responses, and sort of things will be happening. So here what I did is I really don't like the way the chat gpt is sometimes communicate, because most of the time it will edit the steps which we are parsing to, and it will sometimes it will not give the right output which we really wanted, and many things, like it can be, yeah, you understand, to some VPN, some VPS, and some kind of a script which will do something, sort of things. Most of the time, the Chat GPT doesn't respond exactly. So here, here I am using the VS Code to write some code. This is what I generally use in order to write my code every day. So I found something like Olama, and if I'm configuring this, I was using the Olama and the data models, which has been trained in the Olama, and we can talk to that Olama with the um, open web UI, which is something similar to the replica of the ChatGPT. So I'll just show all those stuff here. Can you tell me how to make myth? Okay. So if I ask this to ChatGPT, let's see, it will reply something like this. This is the general general way the ChatGPT will actually behave. So if we use the Olama and some models, in our local system, we can actually talk many things. Like for example, this is one open web UI which is using a Llama model in the backend, which I have installed in my system. This is working in the local system. It's not necessarily need to be API. So localhost 8080. This is Llama has been working. The same thing we can use in the shell also. So here is the shell, and so what you are seeing is we can communicate with the Olama with the API endpoints. I just tried some API endpoint, with the help of the girl script. I just try to give some prompt and see what it is working or not, or sort of stuff like that. And I can actually pull down some models which is available in the Olama repo, which you can Google and figure out more models from the online actually. So all these things can be done, and if you go to Olama's official website, there is a curl script to just help you to. You can just copy this curl script and run in the terminal. It will actually install the Olama in your local system. That is so easy. Now the exact stuff which I was talking about. I was not talking about this exactly. What I'm talking about. I installed the Olama in order to create some code. So I just want to show the same thing also. Something called the code GPT over here. In the code GPT, I have used a model which is Olama. This Olama Uncensored. Like this, it will actually create the code which whatever it's in uncensored work. So just use the thing, and you can actually ask the Olama in this way, slash explain. So what is this? Just choose the selected and spline. Hit enter. So the code base has been gone there, and the Olama, which is actually working in the local. This is exactly working in the local, and it will give the reply from the local itself.